Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Today's video is about kids' closet, or more precisely on my son's closet. A school-going and growing kid has variable dressing needs. A well-organized kids' closet is a must, especially to make him organized or for the days when you are out and somebody else is taking care of him. So let's see how I've organized my son's closet. This is my son's wardrobe. At the bottom, we have a jumbo drawer for the toy storage, which you must have seen in our home tour video. So actual wardrobe starts from somewhere here, which makes it little small in height, but as of now perfect to store my son's clothes. Now let's see how I've organized it. The top part, as usual, is a hanging space where I've hung his hoodies and jackets, casual shirts and school uniform. I have used these cute anti-slip hangers which I bought from Miniso, a Japanese store. I have hung all the clothes according to the category. To make it more specific for others, you may use partition labels like this. Like I always say, labeling is extremely helpful in rapid reorganization. Under the hanging space, these two baskets are kept, where in the corner basket, all his new unused clothes are kept, which I buy on sale. I keep them on top purposely. If they're in front of me, then I know when to start using them. Else, if they are kept somewhere hidden inside, it may skip from my mind and I will end up buying new clothes when in need. In another basket, all the sweaters are kept. Bangalore is not a very cold place, but kids do need to wear light warm clothes during winter. Now that winter is almost over, I will pack and keep them in the storage. On the corner here, his travel bags are kept, which he utilizes to carry his snacks and toys when going out. At the back, this donation bag is kept to collect all his outgrown clothes. By keeping it here, I can instantly separate those clothes which are outgrown or not in use and declutter the closet to save space. In this closet, I have kept only drawers, which makes my life easy in organizing things and closet stays mess-free. In the first drawer, all his full pants are kept on the right and half pants or shorts are kept on the left. As these are kept in drawers, I can easily arrange them in the file system. To segregate clothes, I have used these drawer dividers. In the second drawer on the right, all his full t-shirts are kept and half t-shirts on the left. Again, I've segregated them with the help of drawer dividers. In the center here, his eye shades are kept. In the last drawer, some of his undergarments and miscellaneous stuff is kept. I have used this organizer to segregate his underwears, hankies and socks. This organizer comes with 5 to 7 attachments like this, and one can fix as many as per requirement. At the back, few new and unused underwears and vests are kept. Here his everyday used cotton vests are kept along with a couple of body warmers. On the right, all his night suits are kept. All these drawers and baskets are properly labeled so that anyone can access his closet in my absence, which saves their time to find items. On the doors, these multi-hooks are fixed. On the right door, his belts and caps are hung along with his swimming kit. His swimming kit is kept in this wet bag, which is ready to go types and keeps all the accessories at one place. The hooks on the other door are mostly used to hang his used or worn hoodies and clothes. So that's all about this video. We also have a video on small kids closet organization from an earlier home when I was staying on rent. The link is mentioned in the description box of this video. Also, a lot of you have requested to make videos on girl kids closet organization and teenage kids closet organization. I shall make this video soon for you. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for many more organizing videos. I'll see you next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.